Yo, 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 welcome back. This is Week Check. Let's go. Yes, welcome back everybody. This is Week Check. We'll be looking at all the kicks dropping from the 1st to the 6th of August. If you're new to my channel, my name's Patrick T. I do reviews on all kind of kicks and trainers. My goal is to try and help you decide whether or not to cop or drop. But this is my Week Check series where I look at all the kicks dropping in the next 7 days. And again, just giving you the heads up. So if you haven't already, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. For all those who are returning to my channel, welcome back. Always appreciated. If you haven't though, you need to subscribe, you need to hit the notification bell, and definitely hit the like button and give me comments, man. Make me know what you're gonna cop, whether or not there's anything you want this week, or you're just out because money's peak right now. Next up, we have to deal with housekeeping. So everything I'm telling you now is the information available to me at the time of recording. This is the sneaker industry. We all know that there's sometimes delays, there's sometimes surprise drops, and there's sometimes they just pull it. You just don't know why, you don't know when, they just pull it, and you don't know when they're going to come out again. Another thing to be wary of is raffles. Make sure you read the T's and C's when you enter raffles. Some places will freeze your money, almost like take your money, but they haven't taken it, just freeze your money in your account. You won't get that back if you take an L until probably 5 working days later. Obviously, if you win, they just take the money straight away. But make sure you read the T's and C's when entering these raffles. All that said and done, let's just get straight into this. And we're talking Monday, the 1st of August. First up on Monday, the 1st of August, we have a woman's Jordan 1 Low SE. This is called a Black Multi. It's going for £115 and you can pick this up on the Nike website. We then have another woman's exclusive Jordan 1 Low. This is called the 7 Color. Again, you can pick this up on the Nike website, but this time this one's going for £125. We then have a Dunk Low Retro called Racer Blue. This is going for £90. And once again, you can pick this up on the Nike website. We then have another Drake collab with NOCTA and Nike. This is his Hot Step Terra in black and University Gold. This is going for £140, and at the moment I've only seen that Offspring are going to be dropping these. Nike probably will. I haven't seen it on the sneakers app, and NOCTA did drop some apparel wear this week, or last week I should say, which was on the Nike website. So these might just drop on the Nike website rather than in sneakers. Next, switching brands to Adidas, we have an Adidas Anissa 2. These are going in 2 highs and 1 low. They're unconfirmed in 3 different colorways. They're dropping for £100 and £75 for the low. Like I said, these are dropping on the confirmed app. We then have a 2 New Balance silhouettes dropping. They're not called numbers as they usually are. This is almost like a barcode, so I'm going to read this out to you. The first one is a New Balance U574 LG AA in the burgundy color. This is going for £100. The second one is a New Balance U574 LGE1, and again you can pick this up for £100. Yes, it's Tuesday the 2nd of August. Let's see what's dropping. So first up on Tuesday the 2nd of August, we have the Yeezy 450 in the utility black. This is dropping for £175. You can pick this up on Confirmed, End and SNS. We then have the Nike Air More Uptempo 96 in cargo khaki and alpha orange. This is dropping for £170 and you can pick this up on sneakers. Also dropping on sneakers, an Air Force One mid called Venice. This is going for £125, and like I said previously, you can pick this up on sneakers. Yes, Wednesday the 3rd of August. This is supposed to be Yeezy Day. At the time of recording this is supposed to be Yeezy Day. So throughout the day, you're going to have drops from all different kind of silhouettes on the Confirmed and Adidas website, so keep an eye out for these. But in terms of any other trainers, this is what's dropping today. So first up, we have a women's exclusives of the re-release and more releases of the Nike Dunk Pandas. These are coming in highs and lows. They're going for £110 and £100 respectively. You can pick these up on the Nike website. Size and Offspring, I believe, will be dropping these as well. We then have the delayed Jordan 1 High Bleach Coral. This is going for £155 and should be dropping on end. So now we move on to Thursday the 4th of August. We've got quite a few drops dropping today, so let's just get straight into this. So first up we have the Nike Air Max Flyknit Racer. This is dropping in 3 different colorways. We have the Ghost Green Pink Blast, we have White Black, and we have Oreos. These are all going for £145 and you can pick these up on the Nike website. We then have an Air Force One 07 called Postal Blue. This is going for £115 and again you can pick this up on the Nike website. We then have another Air Force One Low. This is called Easter Multi. Again, it's going for £115 and again you can pick this up on the Nike website. Up next is a woman's exclusive Dunk High called Tumbled White Tan. This is going for £110 and you can pick this up on the Nike website. We then have a New Balance collaboration with Aura Lee. This is in their 2002 R silhouette. These are in 2 different colorways. You have grey and sand. This is going for £130 and you can pick this up on the New Balance website. Last but not least is another New Balance collaboration with Teddy Santos, but this time it's in their 990 version 3 silhouette. This is going for £200 and you can pick this up on the New Balance website and end. So now at the end of the week, this is Friday the 5th of August. Let's see if you've got any money left and you want to cop anything today. So first up this Friday morning is the Nike Air More Uptempo 96. But this time it's going in the lobster and black colorway. It's going for £165 and you can pick this up on the Nike website. We then have a Nike TN Air Max Plus 3 in a navy and black colorway. This is going for £165 and you can pick this up on the Nike website. Asics jump into the ring today with a collab with Awake New York. Now this is in their classic Gel Light 3 silhouette. It's coming in 3 different colorways. They're dropping for £130 and you pick these up on End and SNS. Here's your second chance to get your hands on the Jordan 3 Desert Elephants, which released last week. If you look up, I'll leave the link to my previous review and you can see where they were dropping last week. They may still have some sitting. But like I said, this is your second chance to get hands on these. They're still going for £180, but this time you pick them up on the End website. Yes, it's Saturday, the 6th of August. It's the weekend. If you have any money left, there's only one drop I can see today, and we're talking about the Puma Weekend OG. This is coming in a chestnut colorway for £85, and you can pick this up on End. So that's it. Another week check done. Yeezy day, I can see a lot of people spending a lot of money, but it may be worth it. There's other kicks out there as well, so if you're not all into Yeezys or you're not feeling those, there's definitely something out there, as there always is every week for you guys. So if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, go back and have a look at my other week check reviews and my other sneaker reviews. I hope that they give you context and you find something you like. Even if you've missed it, it might be sitting there now because the sneaker market has just changed. There's a lot of stuff sitting now. But that's me, Patrick T. I'm out. Peace.